Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Apex Legends Untrusted System File. So basically to fix this specific problem, first we need to try deleting the problematic.dll file, often the ui.dll or the ui01.dll, and running a file repair on your game client. So basically first things first, navigate through Steam, click Properties, Installed Files, and then you want to click Browse. Inside this page, you want to go ahead and look for the following file that I have mentioned. Basically, it's going to be the ui01.dll. So let's just go ahead and simply look for it right here. And in my case, to make things a lot easier, I've just used up the search function on the folder, and here it is right here. So you want to go ahead and delete this specific system file. And then right after deleting it, head back to Apex Legends, click on the verify integrity of game files, and basically Steam will try to re-authenticate the game files itself, basically replacing it with a new one that's not corrupted, and this will then go ahead and repair your issue. Now, another thing that we could do is to navigate through the installation path of our Apex Legends. So once again, click Browse right here. You then want to look for the easy anti-cheat and click on the easy anti-cheat EOS setup.exe. So you want to go ahead and run this as administrator. Let's click yes. And then basically in here, there's another button called repair. Basically having a broken easy anti-cheat client will go ahead and detect false untrusted files on your system. So you also want to make sure that everything is fixed regarding the easy anti-cheat right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.